guys, welcome back and happy Friday. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today's video is very exciting. We're going to be talking about beauty tricks. They save time, money, and headache. Am I right? I'll be sharing with you guys clever beauty tricks you won't believe exist. I'll show you how to hack your way through skincare and makeup with these super helpful tips. Also, there is a huge surprise for you guys in this video. You'll have to watch from beginning to end so you don't miss out on any clues. When it comes to beauty, do you love tips that don't require a ton of beauty tools? Do you want to save money in the beauty department? Do you want to learn simple and effective beauty tricks that work? Well, this video is for you. Also, for those of you guys who are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Jen. I post new videos weekly and I'd love for you guys to join the fam. And for those of you guys who have been with me for years, thank you so much for tuning in. Let's get started in this video and show you guys what these clever beauty tricks are that you won't believe exist. Remember, there's a huge surprise in this video, so make sure you watch the whole thing. Let's get started.
The first trick I'm going to share with you guys is all about getting rid of dry skin. The Burts Baby's Multipurpose Ointment. I have this because of Henry. This stuff is literally amazing. It is full of coconut oil and beeswax. There's no parabens, phthalates, or SLS in this. I figured if it's good enough for Henry, then it's definitely good enough for my skin. I apply just a tiny amount all over the face, the lips, anywhere that has dry patches, and it works wonders. If you have dry under eyes, this is the potion for you. What I like to do here is I mix the Guerlain Youth Watery Oil with the belif eye cream, put this on a dish, and mix it together with my fingers, and then use my ring fingers and apply it underneath the eyes. If you find yourself getting creases when you're applying makeup or foundation or concealer, this is the surefire way to keep it hydrated. That way you won't see any creases when you're applying your makeup, and it just looks flawless underneath the eyes, and it also gives it this nice refreshing glow. Being a new mom, I definitely had a little bit of fallout. Another thing I've also noticed is a ton of baby hair. So one of the things that I've been using is a little bit of aloe and applying this on a fine tooth comb and just going through my hair at the tops. This totally keeps everything down. Look at how smooth it is, and aloe is actually very good for the hair too. Bonus. Now, who knew chapstick would be so good for your eyebrows? This is one of my best tricks when it comes to keeping those eyebrow hairs in place. If you are in a hurry or you don't have your brow stuff with you, grab chapstick. This one in particular, the ones from Burts, is a nicer consistency. It's a bit on the drier side, which makes it very good to keep those eyebrow hairs up. If you have really unruly eyebrows, which like in my case, they point downwards, this is a really good tip to keep them up. To give you that flawless foundation, you want two different tones. One, that's your regular color, and that's going to be in the center of the face, which is going to be the lighter foundation color. Here I'm using the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover makeup. This is one of my favorites. It's super nice because it's not too sheer and it's not too thick, which is like what I love about foundation, just like somewhere right in the middle. So using a damp beauty blender, I'm just going to apply this all over the center of the face. Now taking a darker color. This is the Maybelline Dream BB Pure Beauty Balm in 130. I'll be applying this on the tops of the cheekbones, around the tops of the forehead, and on the sides of the nose, and anywhere basically where I want to contour. A lot of makeup artists use this trick and I just find it so amazing. So instead of using a bronzer, you can just get a darker foundation color and make it really look natural. When it comes to your bronzer, here is a great trick to remember when it comes to applying. So before, I'd be just applying this thing everywhere, but what you want to be doing is making little triangular shapes at the tops of the cheekbones, not passing the center of the pupil. And this is really going to lift your face, whereas before I was kind of like applying this everywhere. This makes it much more sculpted. The next trick is using a lip tint for your blush and not just lipstick. I find that lip tints are a much better consistency when it comes to this. It also dries much faster, stays on much longer. Using this sort of consistency also makes your blush look way more natural, and that's what I'm all about. Let's move on to the lips. So I've been wanting to make my lips look a little bit more fuller at the top, and a great trick for this is to actually line just above the cupid's bow. But when it comes to the outer corners of your lips, you don't want to overline that because it can make it look very unnatural. So keep within the lines near the outer corners, but when it comes to the bottom lip and the upper lip, draw just above it and then fill it in. Another tiny trick you can use here is to just extend a little bit past the corners of the mouth. This gives the illusion of bigger lips and also gives you that little like smile at the end. Another clever trick is using an eyeshadow brush to buff this out. It gives it a very natural look. To finish this off, I'll be using the Ilia Balming Gloss Tinted Lip Oil. This is going to go right in the middle of the lips. It's going to just kind of give it this really pouty and luscious look. Now I'm going to save the best for last. If you want your strip lashes to look natural, cut them in half. And now you have two. Talk about saving time and money. You can do these with all your strip lashes that have short hairs on both ends. Now apply these underneath your lash line on the outer corners. Use a tweezer and clamp them in place. This is a great trick if you're in a rush or need to put together a look quickly, and it's also so much easier to apply when it's just the outer corners. Some days I just do this to elevate a look and it makes the biggest difference. And to finish them off, I'll curl them gently, and now we're done. Alright guys, here it is. I'm hosting a huge beauty box giveaway valued over $1,000. This is one of my biggest giveaways, and if you want a chance to win, here's what you need to do. 1. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok and like my last 3 posts. 2. Comment below with a video request. Super simple and super easy. Contest ends October 12th, midnight. The winner will be notified on Instagram by DM, so make sure to check it out if you get a message from me. Good luck! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and don't forget to enter the giveaway. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye for now!